So today we are again back with another exercise. So this is the exercise. We will be working with the values. Click here, download the file. I have already downloaded the file. So this is how the file looks like. Open the music tool. Yes, I have opened. You can use the chart on the menu sheet. If I click on any of these, nothing is working right now. Or is it? Mhm. Oh, these are just buttons. Okay. You can use the chart on the menu sheet. So if I click here, oh, see, this is how it's working. That's nice, too much nice. Okay, now it's saying that create a measure which return the name of the selected artist. Create a card visual on the top of the album and tour page. Okay, this is album page, this is tour page. Okay, so right now what we are doing, if we select any of these artists, okay, and if we click on any of like this view album detail, then the artist name should be here. Okay, and if we click on any of these artists and then if we click on view tour details, so it should give us the artist name here, like tool details here. So what we for this what we will do, we will add, is this, so we will add one measure called name measure. Let's say not the column but the measure, dude, measure, fucking measure, name measure. And what we will do, get a measure which lists the, no, this one, selected artist. For this artist we are taking from here now. So if I write directly selected value artist, and enter, and if I go here and if I put one card, and here I just put the name only, like this. Same goes for the tour. If I click on, let's say Taylor Swift here, and I click view album details, Taylor Swift, that's good, that's too much good. If I click on Tina Turner and view tour detail, Tina Turner, yep, the first step is cleared. Now it's saying that create a measure which lists the album along with the year. Okay, so count of shows by the continent, count of albums list by album type. So this is when I hover over it, it's just giving me album type and count of the album. So what we need to do, we need to add the list of the album titles. So I will add one more measure called list of album title. In this we need to use concatenate x function, if you remember. concatenate. We will concatenate this by mm, album album table, and then we will use mm, album title along with their year of release. Album title, this one, comma, let's say, and I can use this album release date. I think we are taking year only here, comma. I'm delimiting it by UNICHAR 10, comma. Order by, so what we will do, we will order it by the alphabet, like album title, by ascending order, and the release date year by descending order, and I click enter, and I will put this in the tooltip, and if I hover over any of these, yeah, we are getting the album title and the year of their released. Still here we are okay. Now it's saying that create a measure which lists track name sorting by track order. Okay. And add a golden star next to the track which reached number 1 in US Billboard. That's good. This is for same thing or like sky. This is for this track. Hmm. So what I will do, I will just copy this, and instead of album title, I will write track. So instead of album, I will use track. And then here we are using track names, track order. This one, track name and track order. Okay. Now till now this is okay. So if I click enter on my measure, and if I put this in the tooltip, it will give us a list. See, oh, it's showing me the list 16 by, so okay, like this. So instead of this, what I will do here, add a golden star emoji next to the track which reached number 1 in the US Billboard. Oh, okay, track. And here I will use the if function mention track value name and add star with this. I think I don't know about emoji, but I can mark it as this and then add and comma. Will this work? Hmm. Close this here and this here. So we can directly use this concatenate function and we can use if here billboard is this. By the order we can take this, and if I click enter, now you can see that I'm having these numbers, and if there is any star, yeah, you can see I'm getting star also here. So this is how you should do it. And there are two more measures here to make. These are similar as the above, so you can work on it and do let me know in the comment box if you need any help for this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.